Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I'm going to explain about how to select strike price in Nifty. So nowadays, like most of the people are still not aware how to select the right strike price. So yesterday I got a message from one of my Telegram member stating that yesterday market was falling down and I have traded into PE, but still I am getting loss. So why I am getting loss? So that is the reason I thought the people should be aware where we have to select the strike price and why people are getting loss if the things are moving into your direction, but only because of the strike price some of them are getting loss. So that is the reason I have created this video. So you have to watch completely this video, then only you will be understanding why people are losing money only because of the strike price. So you should understand like where we have to select the strike price and which strike price you have to select for your trading. So all those things I will be explaining through this video. So watch completely this video, then you'll be getting a better idea about how to select the strike price. And if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see lot of videos related to market. So you can see like how to invest for long term, short term, intraday. So all those things I have shared already. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain how to select the strike price in Nifty. So the first thing is that we have to add Nifty future to your watch list. So once you add a Nifty future to the watch list, so here you can see there is an option chain. So just click on the option chain. So once you click on the option chain, you can see like here, you can see here there is a call option and here you can see there is a put option. So call option is normally C side. Okay, this will be C side and here you can see P side. So this is how you have to identify the call option and put option. So the left side you can see call option and the right side you can see put option. So you have to select like whichever you are going to take. If market is going to be upper side, okay. So if market is up, okay, just imagine if Nifty is going to be upper side, it means the P side will be going up and the P side will be coming down. Okay, if the market is up, the C side will be going up and the P side will be coming down. And in the same way, if market is negative, if today you can see like today's Nifty is negative. So in this case, the P side will be going upside and the C side will be coming down. So this is the major thing in the market. Okay, this is a major basic things of like C and P. Like whenever the market is going up, the C will be going up. Okay, whenever the market is up, like you can see like whenever the market is up, the C side will be going up and the P side will be coming down. And in the same way, if the market is negative, the P side will be going up, this side will be going up and the C side will be coming down. So this is the basics of call option and put option. So the second thing is that we have to identify the strike price. So where we are going to trade. So how we have to identify the strike price? So the first thing is that you have to see the Nifty's future value. So currently you can see 10,800 is the current value of Nifty now. So where this 800 is coming, 10,800 is coming. So here you can see this is coming in between of here you can see like in middle of the middle you can see. Okay, so here you have to select the strike price. So this will be the current strike rate of the Nifty. So the Nifty's future value you can see here, it is 10,800. So based on that, you have to identify like which C you are going to take or which P you are going to trade. So whenever you are going for a trading, always you have to select nearby the strike rate. So if you are going for a C side, okay, you have to select nearby the strike rate. So here you can see this area you have to select. So these are the nearby the strike rate. And when you are going for a P side, you have to select nearby the strike rate. So here you can see these are the nearby the strike rate you have to select. If you are selecting like far away, you will be getting loss only because of the premium reduction. So I am going to explain that also, like why there is a premium reduction and what is expiry. And today you can see today is an expiry day. Today is the 24th September and today is an expiry day as well as. Like for example, like today morning, okay, like today the market is open. Like just imagine today the market is open this range. this range. Some people what they do, by seeing here you can see like 10,950. So what is the current rate of that? It is only 10 paisa. So some people are thinking like maybe the market will be going to be upper side. So maybe just imagine the current value of here, it will be maybe 5 rupees. So what do you think, like you will buy 5 lot or 10 lot thinking like market will be going, currently market is here, the market may go to this level. So like almost 150 point has to go to this level. So maybe by 2 o'clock you are taking an entry. So suddenly what happened? Market did not move even at 10 points, maybe moved maybe 10 to 15 points. Or maybe just imagine like market is moved like almost another 50 points. So market maybe reached this area. So 10,850 market reached. But your level still very far, because another 100 point again it has to move from here. So in this case what will happen? So your 5 rupees will be going down. It will come to 4, 2, 1, 0. So finally it will come 0. So you won't be getting profit. But if you see the market, what is happened? So like almost, so if you see from here, so almost 50 point movement is happened in the market. But you are thinking, okay, it is the movement is done and I am in the right direction. But I am getting loss only because of the premium reduction. So that is the reason I always told you have to buy the current rate or nearby the strike rate. If you have traded this area, like this 50 point movement, you might have got like 20 points or 30 points profit. But when you are trading, like if you go a little more far, like if you trade here, you may get for 2 rupees. So for example, if you trade this area, okay, 11,000, you may get for even 1 rupees also. And you are thinking, okay, I am spending only 1 rupees, so that I should buy 100 lot. So this risk you have to identify, like how much risk you are taking. Instead of going for 10 lot or 15 lots here, buy 1 or 2 lots here on the current rate. So you are taking the same risk, whereas you are getting assured profit. If the Nifty is going 20 point also, you will get at least 5 to 10 points. So whereas here you won't be getting even a single profit. So always you have to select nearby the strike rate. So that is a major thing, like whenever you are going for a trading. Even yesterday I got a personal message also. One of my Telegram member was telling, I have traded Bank Nifty and I am not getting any profit, because at the end of the day I am getting loss. And if you see, like the market was fallen down almost 200 point, why I am not getting profit? But what happened means, the Bank Nifty was like around 22,000 and he traded like 3,000 point below. He was traded 19,000 rupees, 19,000 Bank Nifty. So you have to imagine, like because today was an expiry, so like one day advance he was traded like almost 3,000 points. So 3,000 point is not going to happen in Bank Nifty like within 2 days. So that is the reason he got a loss. So if things are moving into your direction also, you won't be getting profit. So always, like whenever you are going for any trade, okay, like if you are going for any trade, first thing is that you have to identify the strike rate. So once you identify the strike rate, just mark it here. So this is the strike price and where you are going to trade. So you have to select like what is your capacity and what is your risk level. So if your risk level is there, go with the 50 range. If you are ready to take more risk, you can go with 80, or like you have to see the range also, like strike price also. Like always go with 50 to 100 range. So then you will be getting a good profit. Like if you trade 50 range, you can make a good profit. In the same way, if you trade here this area current rate, at least try to trade with the current rate, okay, like 50 to 80 range. Always you have to try to trade and don't go too far. So because of the that is the major reason most of the people are getting loss, only because of the wrong selection of strike price. So here also you can see, like today the market was fallen like almost 341 points. So if you see here, okay, this area you can see like Nifty is positive here, okay, like all the P, that is what I am telling, like here you can see the P, okay. So the P is up almost 41 points up here. It means the market is down. So the P's are going upside. So in the same way, if you see, I will show you one more P, okay. So this P also you can see like almost 90 points up. It means the market is down. That is the reason P is going up. But in this case, you have to see, okay, if you see 10,800. So this is the current strike rate. So here you can see the market was fallen down almost 341 points. Still you can see this. What is the value of this one? So this is 0. Why means today is an expiry. So always you have to buy the, at least you have to buy below the current rate, then only you will be getting profit on expiry day. So if you buy on the current rate, what will happen if things are not moving? This will go to zero and you will be losing the entire money. So always whenever you are going for a trading, okay, always what you have to do means, you have to buy, like for example today market is falling down, you have to buy either this area, because morning market was a little bit, the price was not this much high, okay, like even like 10,900, even I have given for a call for 20 rupees, because morning it was only 20 to 25 rupees, and now you can see like it was almost now 144. If you would have buy it in the morning, you will be getting like a good profit. So always, that is the reason I told, like you have to buy the current strike rate. So when you are buying the current strike rate, market has fallen down and you are getting profit, and you are thinking, okay, today market may fall maybe 300 points and I can buy this area. So it means like another 500 to 600 point down you are going to buy. What will happen here? Here you won't be getting any movement, and finally you will be ending up in huge losses. So always identify like where you are going to buy and what is the strike price. So based on the strike price only you have to trade. And even I have given also a lot of call in my Telegram channel also. I will show you that is what are the call I have given, and those who are interested to join my Telegram channel, you can join, and this is absolutely a free group. So let me explain about my Telegram channel also. Okay, here you can see my Telegram channel. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. So daily basis I'll be providing like where you have to trade, what is Nifty support, resistance, so everything I'll be providing in this group. So this is absolutely a free group. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. So here you can see like I have clearly mentioned. So overall downside where we have to trade. So clearly I have mentioned like which CE we have, which PE or CE we have to identify. First result we have to identify what is the status of market today, and you can see this is what the P I have given, like that is what I have told, like 10,950 P I have told to enter at 26, and you can see my stop loss also, like I have given a very small stop loss, and currently the status I have shown, it is now currently it is trading almost 150, it means almost 125 movement is happened there. So when you are taking the current strike rate, you will be getting a good profit. So always you have to identify like which strike price you are going to sell at. So if you are selecting nearby the strike rate, if there is a small movement also, you will be getting a good profit. So you have to identify like which strike price, and based on that only you have to make an entry. And here you can see like 29, 31, and then I told start booking, because today was a monthly expiry and weekly expiry. And here you can see like what is the profit I could make from there. So almost 1000, here you can see like almost 1800 rupees I could make from one entry. So if you are doing like one or two lot also, you can make a good profit from there. So always you have to see like where if we get an opportunity based on resistance and support, take an entry and you can make a good profit out of that. And clearly here you can see like clearly I have told Nifty at resistance. So resistance and support is like one of the best tool, okay, you can use for your intraday trading. Like if you use support and resistance, you can take a better entry and exit as well. So here you can see like in this picture itself I have identified Nifty at resistance. So we have to wait and see Nifty is going to be upper side or downside. So immediately we got a confirmation from here. You can see Nifty was almost reached there. So the second candle itself we can see here. The second candle itself, like from the resistance, it was showing the indication that market is going to be downside. So that is the reason I have selected P. So this is here you can see like second time you can see it was again we have given second time also we have taken an entry at 20 now, and you can see like 25, 30, 35. So always you have to identify which strike price you are going to select. And here also here you can see again I have selected 10,800 PE, and that PE also currently it is almost 44 now. So that is how, like you can see like what is my buying price, only 5. So the entry was at 5 and the total risk is very less, okay, and the Nifty has closed that level and Nifty has gone into 10,800 because our level is still above that. So that is the reason this is not going to be zero, because we are getting a good profit. We are taking the right entry at right time. So all those information you will be getting in this channel. You can see like lot of profit, like what are the profit my client has achieved. You can see here 7,000, like you can see 2,500, 3,000, 1,000, like that lot of profit people are making in this group. So this is absolutely a free group. Like those who are interested to join this group, you can join. The link I have mentioned in the description. And in the same way, like those who are interested to open an account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can open the account. The link I have mentioned in the description. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you need any clarification related to this topic, you can comment below this topic. So always you have to identify like which strike price you are going to select. So always you have to select nearby the current rate. So then only you will be getting profit. Otherwise you will be getting loss at the end of the day. So always you have to be very careful when you are selecting the strike price. So if you are really satisfied with this topic, don't forget to like my video. And in the same way, like you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.